Installing Windows Server. Complete guide. Installing Windows Server is a critical step in setting up an IT infrastructure for businesses, data centers, or home labs. This complete guide is designed to walk beginners and intermediate users through the entire installation process, from selecting the appropriate Windows Server edition to post-installation configurations. 1. Choose the right Windows Server edition. The first step is selecting the edition that best suits your needs. Windows Server comes in various editions like Standard, Data Center, and Essentials. Standard is ideal for general-purpose needs, Data Center is suited for highly virtualized environments, and Essentials is best for small businesses. 2. Prepare the hardware and installation media. Before installation, ensure your hardware meets the minimum system requirements. For most modern installations, a 64-bit processor, 4 gigabytes RAM or more, and a minimum of 32 gigabytes disk space is necessary, though more is recommended. Download the ISO file from Microsoft's official site and create a bootable USB drive or DVD using tools like Rufus. Insert the media into the server or machine where Windows Server will be installed. 3. Boot and begin installation. Power on the server and boot from the installation media. You may need to access the BIOS/UEFI settings and configure the boot priority. Once the Windows Server setup loads, select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. Click Install Now. Enter a product key or choose the evaluation version. Choose the installation type, Server Core Minimal Interface or Desktop Experience Full GUI. 4. Partition the disk. When prompted, choose where to install Windows Server. You can format an existing partition or create a new one. Make sure to back up any data on the drive, as it will be erased. 5. Complete installation and initial setup. Once installation begins, the system will copy files and reboot several times. After installation, set an administrator password. Log in with the new credentials. 6. Post-installation configuration. After logging in, use Server Manager to configure roles and features like Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, File Server, etc. Install updates using Windows Update and configure firewall settings. 7. Secure and activate the server. Enable Windows Defender or another antivirus solution. Apply security patches, and activate your Windows Server with a valid license.